Hi, I'm Brett from Trashy Science. And recently, I was wondering about how recycling actually works. We put all these different materials into one bin, but to make different stuff, they need to be separated. And I did a bit of digging. Turns out it's actually a really complicated process with a lot of different steps. One of those steps I want to talk to you about today is how our glass gets separated from our plastics and aluminium. That happens using air. There's this big machine which makes a big cone of air that lifts up lighter things and allows heavier things to drop down to a conveyor belt underneath. Now, I don't have one of these big machines like they have in recycling plants, but I do have my own kind of wind machine. It's very high tech. Some of you might have them at home. It's a hairdryer. If I point my hairdryer at the recyclables I have on my table here, you can see and probably also hear that it blows away the aluminium and plastic, but it leaves the glass behind. But I said before, this machine makes the air go up. It lifts plastic and aluminium up to one conveyor belt and lets the glass drop down to another one. So let's have a bit of a look at that. I have here 3 balls. A ping pong ball made of plastic, like our plastic bottles or our 1 kilogram hummus container that we eat every day. Our aluminium ball, made from leftover aluminium scraps. And a marble made of glass, like our pasta sauce jar. Let's look at the ping pong ball first. The ping pong ball levitates in that stream of air because as it goes up, it wraps around the ping pong ball and can hold onto it. Also, because our ping pong ball is really light, it gets lifted up. If we have a look at our aluminium now, our aluminium also goes up because it's also very light, but it doesn't stay in that stream because it's not a perfect ball. I didn't have 10 hours and hammers and sandpaper to make a smooth, polished ball like you might have been seeing recently on YouTube. So it can't stay in that stream of air because as the air passes around some of these imperfections, it goes off in strange directions and pushes this out of the way of that airstream. Lastly, we have our glass marble. I put that on. It's not going anywhere. Our marble, even though it's much smaller than our ping pong ball and our aluminium ball, is still a lot heavier. And this is how recycling plants actually separate some of our recyclables, our glass from our plastic and aluminium.